Okay, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Today we are doing a track day at ActionTrax. So we have the bike on the back of the car, nicely rigged in so it's not going anywhere. Let's just take that off. It's nice and solid. Spare water, solar panel for recharging bits and pieces. And then in here, spare fuel, boots, helmet, tools, funnels, blankets, spare clothes, everything you can think of. So we're going to head off to Tunbridge, and gates close at 10 o'clock, so we have plenty of time to get there. We've also got some sandwiches and loads of Coke and other bits and pieces, so it's going to be a good day.